You're going to love the 2010 Mitsubishi Outlander. It features a continuously variable transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine. With both environmental awareness and powertrain flexibility assured, it boasts fuel economy of 27 miles per gallon. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front bucket seats, air conditioning, tilt steering wheel, power door mirrors, skid plates, power windows, and remote keyless entry. Mitsubishi ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. We pride ourselves in consistently exceeding our customers' expectations. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.